Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. What I'm talking about today is child lock versus locking the whole machine up where it can't be touched and used. What I mean by that is, if you look right here, you see that little flashy light? That means the machine is basically not functionable, okay? So what you do is, and there's always a way to do it, so I would hold these two buttons down, okay? And when that stops flashing, now the machine can function, so it'll do whatever I ask it to do, okay? Now, what that is it's basically, if you've got children who like to play and goof around on stuff, if you put that on, it will not allow them to actually wash Junior in the tub, like it can happen. Now, pretty much all of your new appliances have that, so it's something you want to watch for. Now, let's go over here for a second, because I was at a house and this lady kept having her child lock on. She didn't know it was a child lock, it just wouldn't function. So I get over there and I walk in the house. I'm like, hi, how are you doing? I'm like, okay, the machine won't function, okay? So I figured, okay, well, the child lock's on. So I disengage the child lock, get it running. She comes back and she's like, what did you do? I'm like, well, first of all, you see that symbol? That was a child lock. Somehow it got thick. And she started talking to me, and the funny thing was, her dog treats were sitting right back here on the back of her washer. And while I'm talking to her, guess what? Little Rover went up and was asking for a dog treat. Guess where its hands landed? Its paws landed right on the child lock. So it was actually locking and unlocking the machine without her knowledge. So she moved the thing, she never had that problem again. So it's one of those you want to be careful of. If you does lock, don't freak out. There's always something that says it's locked up, whether it be that little face with a symbol, it might say control lock flashing, but there's going to be something telling you that it's locked up. Check that first. If you don't know how to do it, get your owner's manual, go through the owner's manual. If you don't have an owner's manual, use the Googly. It'll be able to tell you, like I said, Whirlpool washer child lock. It'll tell you how to lock it, unlock it, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You folks have a wonderful week, and well, I'll see you when we come back next week. Goodbye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.